Good afternoon, Mark here in the Fan Cave. What I have today is an Eastern box fan. Now, this fan in particular does not have a knob. So, I'm going to start off on high. Low. And off. Yeah, this is actually a fan I found when I was a truck driver. I was doing a delivery, and sort of behind the behind the store, there was an alleyway to get there, and there was a there was a dumpster that had overflowed with stuff, and people had just had trash spilling out, and the fan was lying down in the road, like people had to steer around it. So it was in the middle of the alleyway to get to this loading dock. So I pulled the truck over and just grabbed the fan, threw it up on the front seat, and I had it in the warehouse for several years while I was working there. And then when I quit, took the fan with me. So there's the Eastern symbol, the place where there would be a knob, the on-off control, and the handle is inside at the bottom. It's broken, obviously. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.